our chat application, right? And this chat application will be in your hands soon, like tomorrow. Right? But what we are showing here is somebody uploading a CSV file and saying that I need to show me the structure of the data, column name, etc. This guy does not know programming, Python, etc. He's able to do that. On the right side, opens what we call an artifact or a document. You can see the data. You can actually edit it. You can actually maybe make something else, make changes, export it, etc. The person goes on to ask, display the recent 3 years side by side. So what is happening here is that the model is not answering this directly. The model is processing the input, processing the data given, writing code, which then runs on the data. And the important part is that the code execution is stateful. So what I do in the first turn of my execution, that same code state is available for subsequent states, for subsequent turns of the conversation. This entire orchestration we have built grounds up, and you'll hear a different team talk about how we have built this particular orchestration engine. But notice that every step of the way here is handled by Sarvam 105. It understands the question, it parses the data, it writes the code, it gets the output, it writes this document. So a model like 105 billion parameter model trained from scratch in India can be a productivity tool for a variety of things India does. I imagine laptops coming with a tool like this, connected to the 105B model, just 9 billion activated parameters, and a bunch of productive tasks happen. The next video, please. In this case, the person asked something in Romanized Hindi. They typed Hindi, but with English alphabets. And the answer comes in the same style. It's, of course, a question about trigonometry, and I have to think a little bit to see if it is all correct, but you are able to get answers. We genuinely believe that for education, this can be a very important tool where students can write about their questions, and because the model is very strong on reasoning, as strong as DeepSeek R1 was, the 600 billion parameter model last year, it is quite capable in answering questions end-to-end, both with scientific reasoning, with grounding in terms of knowledge, etc. And the final example, if you can replay that.
टेक्सटाईल एक्सपोर्टचा बिझनेस आहे. या लेटेस्ट युनियन बजेटचा त्याच्यावर काय परिणाम होईल हे तात्पर्यात सांगा ना.
So you can, of course, use voice to write a question, because sometimes people find it hard to type it. And because the model has been trained on trillions of tokens of all Indian languages, it is able to respond back in that particular language, and you can continue the conversation. So that is Sarvam 105B model, a very capable model in terms of reasoning, math, coding, but at the same time, very capable of working with Indian languages. If combined with the agentic orchestration that we will show you, this can become the productivity workhorse for what India will build. That is Sarvam 105B.